Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with Inspiring Inputs. We pass through this world but once. Life is short and every moment is precious. The aim of life is to live, and to live means to be aware, joyously, drunkenly, serenely, divinely aware. Enjoy life. That is what we are here for. No man is a failure who is enjoying life. Not life, but good life is to be chiefly valued. There are three ingredients in the good life: learning, earning, and yearning. We live in the world when we love it. Life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. There is no wealth but life. See, life is a journey, and every chapter is very interesting. Music washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. The most difficult thing in life is to know yourself. All I really need to know, I learned in kindergarten. A man sooner or later discovers that he is the master gardener of his soul, the director of his life. The hardest thing in life to learn is which bridge to cross and which to burn. Nothing in life is promised except death. Life comes from the earth and life returns to the earth. If you have a positive frame of mind, you can manifest positive things in your life. Begin at once to live and count each separate day as a separate life. It is really not about what you have. It is about how you are able to enjoy life in general. No water, no life. No blue, no green. The monotony and solitude of a quiet life stimulates the creative mind. We need to give each other the space to grow, to be ourselves, to exercise our diversity. We need to give each other space so that we may both give and receive such beautiful things as ideas, openness, dignity, joy, healing, and inclusion. Hope you liked the contents. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Good luck to you.